One of the benefits or consequence of istighfar is that it grants you an opening from the difficulties in your life. It grants you a solution to the difficulties in your life. It takes you out of difficult situations in your life. Brings ease to you. And this is what rushd achieve for you in your life. The ayah we recite in our Wird al-Am, the ayah of istighfar, وَمَا تُقَدِّمُوا لِأَنفُسِكُم مِّنْ خَيْرٍ تَجِدُوهُ عِندَ اللَّهِ هُوَ خَيْرًا وَأَعْظَمَ أَجْرًا وَاسْتَغْفِرُوا اللَّهَ إِنَّ اللَّهَ غَفُورٌ رَحِيمٌ. وَاسْتَغْفِرُوا, the command from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to do istighfar. This verb here, وَاسْتَغْفِرُوا, istaghfirullah, it's fi'l amr in the Arabic grammar. It's the command form of the verb, where Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is commanding us to do istighfar. But it's mentioned here also, the effect of istighfar on our good deeds. Whatever good you do, you will find it with Allah. And you will find it better than that. People, subhanAllah, believers would be surprised on the Day of Judgment when they see, or in Jannah, when they see rewards they're receiving. And they said, what did I do to deserve this? They can't remember doing anything to deserve those special blessings. تَجِدُوهُ عِنْدَ اللَّهِ هُوَ خَيْرًا وَأَعْظَمَ أَجْرًا. You find these special blessings because of istighfar, istighfar, istighfar.